Good morning and welcome to the 80th Securities Markets Update for today. Beginning with the Asian session, there were three economic data sets from Japan and Australia which had a muted impact on the markets. In Japan, BSI manufacturing index posted the biggest decline since June of 2011, declining to -13.9 in Q2, down from +12.5 in Q1, while it had been anticipated to rise for the fifth month in a row toward 14.1. Furthermore, Japan Corporate Goods Price Index posted the highest reading since November of 2008, rising by 4.4% in May comparing to 4.2 in April, while it had been anticipated to rise slightly to 4.1% only. Finally, in Australia, Westpac Consumer Sentiment Index increased by 0.2% in June after a significant decline in May with -6.8%, which is the biggest decline since May of last year. The Japanese yen also traded almost unchanged across the board, while it remains above its 100-day moving average and its uptrend against the US dollar, which should be watched carefully across the week. As for the Aussie dollar, also the pair stabilized above its 50-day moving average in the past 4 days, which is seen as a positive sign on the short term. However, the obstacle resistance stands at 0.9370s, while a break above that level may clear the way for further gains above 0.94. As for the European session today, we will be focusing on the UK jobs reports only, as there is no economic release across the day. UK climate count change is expected to decline by -25,000 in May to mark its 19th consecutive monthly declines in a row, compared to -25.1 thousand in April. The unemployment rate is also expected to decline back to 6.7 in April, down from 6.8%, which would be the lowest level since April 2009. And finally, average earnings index may slow down to 1.2 in April, down from 1.7 in late March. Yesterday, the British pound fell to stabilize above its 50-day moving average and slipped to as low as 1.6750s. The obstacle support for today stands at 66.90s, which is likely to hold in the next few hours, and better than expected jobs report is likely to push the pound higher across the board, and GBP USD may regain above that moving average of 50-day moving average, which stand at 67.97 today. There is no economic release during the US session today. However, volatility is likely to keep on rising through the week. And a final note about gold. Yesterday, palladium and platinum soared aggressively, which led to a spike in gold above 1,260 or 1,260, again reaching as high as $1,263 so far. This is it for today. You can follow us on our social media sites, Twitter, Facebook, and YouTube to get the latest economic releases, reports, and analysis. Have a good day.